There it is. You can see that the windows, like the Manta, not applying. And I gotta do IDs for them still. You can see how it's like no ID. Whereas I actually wrote one for this already. So I gotta write IDs for them as well, which I might do off stream. But there's our baby we just did. Buy it. I gotta apply the thing that fixes the engine texture too. You'll see in the next fight. Do you want to spoil it? Fair enough. Fair enough.
Purchase complete.
You can see, like I said, especially when you can see in the cockpit transparently like that, the ZPs are ugly as sin in the way I clip them. I think once the cockpit isn't transparent though, it'll look fine. And we're gonna make the ZPs look better anyway, so... not a big deal for right now, just leave them like that for the minute. SRM pylons look silly because we need to change the model for those, but other than that... let me just sell everything and rebuy it, so we can make sure everything's like going where it's meant to go. Oh, why can't you apply that? Huh? I did that wrong. You're meant to be able to apply a large ballistic. So, already, mistake. Yeah, you also can't apply... no, that's Fleet S. Where is the twin missile launcher and why is it not on Denver? Excuse me? Why the F is it not on Denver? Wait, why is the PPC not on Denver? Did we move all the stuff off Denver or something? That's annoying, I gotta fix that. I wanted, for now in testing, for Denver to be like the one-stop shop, so you can just see what you can get. But we have the ZPs, that's applying where they should be. Okay, just check out, Battleship Rio Grande. I look forward to you pulling your moves out on me, Gallia, sounds fun. Where's the cool shit? Yeah, there's the twin airstream launcher. So you can mount that correctly. That is mounting as intended. I just fucked up the ballistic part. Whoopsie. Yep, you can put a there's a heavy fighter you can put a torpedo on as well. Kinda cool. Kinda like that. While you're coding that PvP the others and learns, are you like top dog on the server? Are you the best? No. Who's best? Surprising. Who's the best PvPer in your opinion? Box with my... oh yeah, Box has played a lot, yeah. That makes sense. That makes sense. Let's go. I want to test the big shredder, so let's go like a... I guess a... I gotta fix that. Just for now, just whack something on. Probably what I would do for real is I would have like a light there and a twin SRM. So actually, let's do that. Let's go like a light and like a twin SRM sounds cool. Or even a fucking torpedo launcher. Would actually be kind of cool. We'll leave it at that for now. Countermeasure dropper. Mines. Cruise disruptor. Let's go see if the fruits of our labor flies correctly. Angler save. I got a draw once by a meme, but that was it. I lost every time. Yeah, Box is scary, that makes sense. Box probably beat me too.
Battleship Rio Grande. Everything's a go for launch. Good luck out there.
Not much point nitpicking it until I get the actual, like, until we get the new weapons missiles model in if Dyson wants to do them, but that needs to come back clearly. Other than that though, make sure everything like moves around the way it should. Check your weapon groups. We've got a light autocannon, we've got the twin airstream launcher, we've got pylons. The system's nominal though. Apart from the missing glass. Texture loads properly in flight, so that's good. We got our blasters. Wiggling around there. We got our big autocannon on the side. Well, not big, we got a light autocannon on the side. We got a twin SRM launcher. Flares. Got the whip engine in there. Everything looks like it works. Make sure the mines are working. Weapons check. Cruise disruptor. Hey, terrific. I think it's a plus. Because what are the chances of Salaka tonight? Probably quite low. Just because I'm so fucked for time on BMOD and it's really good to get to work on it right now. But I'd probably play it offline, honestly, Sammy. And then if I like it, I'd probably stream it like next weekend sometime or when I fit it in. I definitely want to play it. Like, I'm probably gonna like play it right after stream, honestly. While I'm like role-playing of Jam, I'm probably gonna like play it in Alt-Tab. Because I can't really work and do that at the same time when I'm like doing stuff with Jam, but sometimes I can like play games in the background while we like do stuff together. She does the same thing where like role-playing and stuff. That's working nice. You can see the hit of the power plant being a little bit worse there. Get your light IC. Terrific. Twin SRMs. Terrific, terrific. There should be two there. It's kind of hard to see when they stick together, of course. I only fired one, actually. Wait a minute, huh? We fixed that bug. That ain't right, we fixed that bug. Did these get messed up? That's only firing one. That is only one SRM. I think I need to fix that. That looks like it is not doing what it's meant to do, which is fire two at once. I might be wrong. Because we did fix that bug. So I think the actual weapon may not be firing two like it's intended. That's easy to check in a second. Looks good. Flying around beautifully. I don't know if you're still listening, Dyson, but the angler is in and flying. I'll fix the mistake I made on not being able to mount the large autocannon on it. But then I'll probably run this loadout and flight test it for a bit. Let me also check the, oh, my mouse is dying. I did that thing there. My mouse is just dying. Shit, I need a new mouse. Fuck. Damn, that's sad. My mouse is dying. Let me just go check if we get the shield bubble weirdness as well. We probably do. Yeah, we got the weird shield stuff. Which need to be fixed for that as well. Yeah, we got the weird stuff going on there. And I'll do the Tony Hawk rail test again, but we already know it's gonna be a problem, I think. Yeah. Hey, you got a nice grind going there. Kinda. It's a nice grind going there. Nothing wrong with that. I mean, the bubble actually looks good. I don't know why it's doing the weird physics thing still, but the bubble actually looks good like the eagle. I mean, like the falcon from before. You're getting a good skate park grind there. Looks cool. I love these ships. They look cool as fuck. Whoop, shit. But yeah, still got the weird yeet physics to fix. Weird bug. Alright. Oh, and there's like a weird bit of hitbox stuff there. I'm like hitting stuff I'm not touching. Is it on the sides with this one? Is that what's going on? Ah! Yeah, like we're nowhere near anything. Is it? Where is it? Where's like the hidden pixel in the shield hitbox that's fucking things up? It's like down there somewhere, I don't know. They can look inside the actual model viewers for this and find that, like, oh, you know, there's a pixel of the hitbox on its own that shouldn't be there. And that's generally what's causing that. Okay. So that's cool. I just need to fix the ballistics bit. What was the other thing? Oh yeah, I need to look at why the twin SRMs aren't firing twin SRMs. That's a problem. Let's fix that before I forget it. Then I don't have to make a gate issue. So angler, where did I fuck up in the hard points? HP gun special 7, 8. Oh, I have HP gun special 8 twice. I was meant to put in one that says HP gun special 9 for large ballistic. That should fix it. But we also need to fix the missiles now. Okay, twin SRM launcher uses the model. What model does this use? BM SRM launcher twin.cmp. Why are you not firing twice? Let's find out. We're going to go back into Lancer Edit for this. BMOD equipment models. Let me pull this up. Let me pull this up. Data. BMOD equipment. Models. Guns. Let's pull this up in Lancer Edit. It is BMSRM Launcher Twin. BMSRM Launcher Twin. What's going... Oh, the errors. Check to look for details. I don't know how to do that, buddy. But, hang on. What the fuck? This is weird. Must be related to the error of loading. I wonder if my version of Lancer is fucked. I don't know, but this doesn't even have a fire point right now, which is a problem. This thing should have, like, there's the mount hardpoint down there. I'm not bothering looking at the textures. I don't know what HP Connect is for, to be quite honest with you. I don't remember. Oh, that would be where, so this is the base plate, and then this is where the actual, like, shooting turret part of it twists on its basis. Okay. Interesting. But they're both in the root. How does it know which part is the base and which isn't? Anyway, whatever. I need to find a hardpoint for... Here we go, is what I want. Nope. There should be a hardpoint called, like, HP Fire. And the fact it doesn't have any... There's a weird error of loading this in this program because it shouldn't even be able to shoot at all if it didn't have one. But basically, these all need a HP Fire 01, HP Fire 02. That's like the barrel that the actual projectile comes out of. So the fact that I can't find one on this is weird. Oh, is it here? No. There it is. Okay. Okay, so we do have HP Fire 1, HP Fire 2. Why is that not working then? That's odd. That is odd. Maybe I am firing 2 and it's like not decrementing the ammo right, even though we just fixed that bug, so that would be really weird. Maybe it only works in multiplayer. I am testing in single player. I have to go test these in multiplayer too. Hey Euchre, how you doing, buddy? You ever get Tarkov set up, Euchre, or are you still struggling? What's going on? Did they update the SP reverter thing yet for you? And she shotgun loads so this is a raid. Welcome. We're like doing ship design right now. You can't tell that untextured thing I'm doing there, but we've been putting weapons on ships and shit. Yeah, that has 2 fire hard points, so that's not the problem. Maybe it is firing 2, it's just not doing the ammo right. I'll test it in multiplayer, I guess. It might just be because I'm in single player. So I'm gonna load it again. Using my handy dandy thing you can't see. I'm gonna update the game. And then we'll start up a server, and we'll do multiplayer testing. Well, not multiplayer, but we'll like... So it's a thing because Freelancer works very differently in its MP environment compared to its single player environment. So to get real testing, I need to like host a local server that's just me and play on it rather than testing in single player because the games are very different between the 2 modes for whatever fucking reason. Very different games. Like you'll balance something, you'll test it in single player mode, and it's like works great, and you'll test it in multiplayer mode, even if it's your local server, just you, and it'll be like, oh, doesn't fucking work. Game's completely different. So it's important that we test in multiplayer because it's a multiplayer mod. So I'm gonna load that right now. Bazinga. There's my local test server. Got the Orca I was testing with before. Oh shit, that's fucking dying! Ah! Ah! Barely not dead.
Repair complete.
Barely not dead, fuck. You know what, let's just like restart you. I don't really want that rep actually right now. Make a new testy. I can show you the character too. So you want to see the character change here? But this will be the new build, is I changed it around so that your model is like kind of like, I had to work with the vanilla assets, but maybe basically like a faceless kind of costume. And I cut the voice if you do happen to go in here and like talk to people. Not that that's really a focus of what we've done right now of the remodding. Basically just I didn't want it to be like, I didn't want it to be like, oh, you know, like you've got to be a dude.
I work with the Liberty Police.
You know,
This is our base.
we haven't got like a full face helmet
Now,
yet.
You must know, I have heard a rumor.
Like, I'd like to just have you be, like,
Okay.
totally anonymous.
What's going on?
Yeah, muffled Krieg noises, yeah. I'd like you to be totally anonymous, like, because ideally we have, like, different models that you can pick from based on, like, you know, your preferred, like, gender, you know, ethnicity, whatever the fuck you want to look like, right? But right now, we can't offer choices. We can only really offer, like, one default. So, ideally, like, we would probably get rid of, like, you know, your exposed skin and stuff and just let you be totally faceless, so you can just, you know, if you can't have, like, representation of exactly what you want to be, at least don't be looking like something you don't want to identify as, right? That's the idea. So there's more work to do on that, obviously. But this is the best I can do with the vanilla assets right now, because I wasn't modeling stuff. Though, you know, Dyson's doing stuff for us. If Dyson's interested, maybe I'll ask Dyson, actually, now that I think of it, to be like, hey, can you, like, add, you know, a visor I can play with as a prop, or, like, some black gloves or something, you know? Easy. Because I learned how to work with this. It's actually very easy. There's just, like, a bunch of props in the game, and all you gotta do is just, like, whack them on as a little accessory. It's actually quite fun. It was quite fun playing mix and match.
Oh, well, I work for Ajira.
Yeah, fuck you, Ajira. Anyway, that's not what we're here to test. Not perfect, but I was hoping it was an improvement. Creef and BMOD. Muffled creef noises. Oh man, when you creef and BMOD, it's like shit.
Ship purchase complete.
How you doing, Garger Pants? Had to find a stream manually. Glad I'm back though. Welcome back. Yeah, new ships, Meatball. New ships coming soon, hopefully. Now let's see if this worked right. Get rid of that. Wait, did I not have a twin on? No, this is a new player. Never mind, this is a new player. Flashpoints, sure. Buy mine, buy a CD. I do want to test that the twin SRM is working, but I have to go to Rio Grande for that. I should add those to Denver again, because I think a lot of player testers right now will not be going around trying different stuff, so they won't go to Rio Grande and be like, oh, you know, you can buy a PPC here, which I think is probably the intent of whoever took them away from Denver. But we should add them back to Denver for now, because, like, otherwise you'll be a new player and you'll be like, okay, like, you know, these are all the weapons in the game. Fuck, you know, where do I get the rest? Or not even, you won't go, where do I get the rest? You know, a lot of players will just be like, oh, okay, this is all the weapons in the game, which is a problem. Because these are not all the weapons in the game. And until we signpost that, we should definitely be mindful of that. Yeah, exactly, Gallius. Yeah, I actually didn't realize you couldn't buy PPCs on Denver and shit, so I need to fix that. We'll fix that after this, before I forget. Because, like, it like, kind of makes sense narratively, like, oh, go look at the battleship, but also doesn't, and also, like, yeah, it just isn't intuitive, I think, to a player necessarily, to, like, go look around for, like, other shit. Especially basic shit, like a twin SRM launcher, right? Should just be on Denver, so I'll fix that. After. It's, not intended.
Freelancer Output 1-1. This is Planet Denver. Planetary docking cleared. Good luck.
Boop. Oh, get those ZPs on. Yeah, exactly, Gallius, exactly. For sure. Later on, like, we can have signposting that directs you where to go better, maybe, and be like, yeah, you know, go here to get it. But until we have that, we can't hide stuff away until you have, like, an intuitive way to know where it is, you know? Oh, not medium. Let's go light. I like the light. The more systems are open, then we can move around. Exactly, yeah. Yeah, that's how I feel. So I'll do that after this before I forget, because again, if I don't do it now, I gotta open a Git issue about it. And I don't want to open a Git issue, I just want to do it. Do it right now. Born to edit. Forced to Git. No, Git is actually great. This would be so impossible without Git. It's so good for collaboration. I'm actually going to make a Git board inspired by my work with Milo on this one. I'm going to make a Git board for me and Jamble to just track household chores, I think. It's going to be easier. That's a slippery slope, though. Babe, did you do the washing up? Babe, can you tag me of the Shah of the commit when you did the washing up? If you go shut the fuck up. Yeah, let's test this. With LRM pylons. Let's go fly. And see if the twins work. I love the shape of this ship.
Battleship Rio Grande. You are cleared for launch. Good flying.
want to fix the cockpit not showing up, but you can see that, like, you know, the pilot's vaguely in the right place. I mean, I wonder if I should do, like, an actual hind cockpit and add, like, 2 pilots. Maybe in the VHF have, like, another pilot sitting behind you. In, like, the hind, like, go full-on hind cockpit, like, really lean into it. Depends how people fluff that, though, you know? How do you justify that as the player if you don't want to have a co-pilot? Fuck it, have a co-pilot, fuck you, have a co-pilot. Yeah, so in multiplayer you can see it decrements my ammo twice, and you can actually click on 2 of them. So it's not really a bug then, it's just, you know, working in multiplayer, not single player. That's cool. Okay, boom. We do have some physics weirdness, but let's just go, like, blow something up for a second. We'll probably bounce off asteroids and ships that we shouldn't have hit because of the physics thing, but that's fine, we know about that, we're gonna fix that. Other than that, I just want to kind of, like, fly it around for a second. I haven't really got the fight in them yet. Just been implementing them. Let's do something. Juno still won't ride if you even have a hind twin-seater because Juno's a smelly poo-poo. Junie? Juno? Juno? Yeah, guys, remember Juno? Fuck. I love you, Obsidian, you're great. Go find some Xenos to shoot. Even though these ships are going to be for the Xenos, which will be the other thing I'll do today. I'll fix where stuff's sold after this before I forget. Don't let me forget. And then I will probably, yeah, for the last hour or hour and a bit of the stream, give these to the Xenos NPCs of loadouts and fight them. Be interesting. Hey, rookie. Catalina Hagelstein. What an incredible name. Wow. Test my cruise disruptor. Hey, buddy. Welcome to die. Ooh, I blew my own shield up. Holy fuck. Hey, fucko! That's too bad. What is that noise? Wait, this was happening before when I was... Did someone add something secretly? Did someone add voice lines to the players? What? I have a co-pilot, what? I didn't just imagine that, right? Like, that was real? I've never heard that voice line before. But no one told me they added this to the mod. Because it was before, when my hull was low, the woman said my hull is buckling or something. 3,000 hours. No, this isn't a vanilla thing. That's why I'm stunned. When someone said my hull is buckling, I assumed it was a voice line I hadn't heard before, like the NPCs were wounded, but... What the fuck? Am I being pranked? Did Milo and Laz add fucking voice lines to the game? Holy shit, did they? Wait, something was added. A plugin was added. MP Rep or something. Was that a debate? Are they, like, giving me a Christmas present? That's so cool. What the fuck? Let's kill more Xenos and see if it happens again. That's so fucking cool, because I want that. I wonder if other players nearby you can hear it. What the fuck? But I was just talking about representation, so we need to make sure there's, like, voice options for both, where it's, like, really androgynous voice. But that's a different problem. The cool thing right now is, like, fucking hell, technically, is that working? Or is my game cursed now? What the fuck is going on? If I find another Xenos to kill, I'll let you know. Is my shield strength up? Just like a normal shield, yeah. I just blew it the fuck off with 2 missiles, I think. The explosive resistance on these ships' multiple parts might need to be tweaked, I just realized. Maybe I'm taking, like, multiple damage from missiles or something. I think we have to set the Explo resist up for its pieces. Hello, mule. Can I eat you? Like, serious question. I don't know if I can catch you. Mules remain annoying to catch. I haven't really tweaked that yet. I'm still gonna add the new, like, cruise disrupting behavior, basically. So for now, these mules are incredibly, like, RNG. It's just a real casino whether your flares work or not. As you can see. Whether your cruise disruptor gets past their flares, that is. They're also still flying towards Denver, which is silly. That one's definitely gone. I'm gonna let that one go. Still meaning to add basically a close-range cruise disruptor gun choice, where you want to cut in front of them and then like hit them with not a missile, but just a gun you shoot them with, to skip that, to reward you if you can like maneuver in on them and cut their angle. I think like, you know, the flares defeating your cruise disruptor missiles is fine, like that's the point. But when it's the only option you have, it can feel a bit annoying when you get at point blank and you see it's like you still can't catch them. You're like, fuck this, like I'm shooting them, they should stop, you know? I like the shape of this thing a lot. It's got like that cool, like aquatic kind of anglerfishy vibe to it from on top, but from behind it's like all like fucking plane aerodynamic with the wings and the tail. I like it. The design of it kind of reminds me of like an old biplane, like an old like turn of the century plane, Wright Brothers shit, which I kind of like. I kind of really like. Whoa, doubles. Let's see if Prez talks again, I guess. That was weird. Weird but cool. Oh, I got one on my tail. I think they missed me again. We're okay. That mine's... Nice, up twin missile hit. Damn, having a twin fucking missile is strong on a heavy fighter, hey. Maybe having the kinetic slots like it'll be OP, who knows? Maybe it's just gonna make large ballistic more appealing. Mines. Are you dropping 2 mines at once? That was weird. What the? Oh, fuck. Oh, you know what that is? Haha. Didn't say a voice line either. I dreamed that, man. I need the time code for that to show to Milo. Like, what the fuck is this? That's my shield bubble not being right, and the Navy trying to shoot the enemy and, like, hitting me, like, up here above the camera, I guess. That's funny. So there's definitely a weird, like, weird business going on with the shield, because they just hit me in the wrong place. Because they flew in behind me and just, like, tagged the fuck out of them. You didn't dream it? We heard that was voice 2 fights ago. I know, yeah, I didn't dream it. Do you guys like my giant tactical claw formation I did for the Navy? How, like, the flight lead is there, and then it goes, like, left, right, and then above in, like, a big claw of, like, 2 kilometers spread between them or something. I tried to get tactical with the Navy's formation compared to the Xenos. I wanted to be cool. That's a thing they do. Rather than the Xenos who just do, like, clump. Mob. Sprite Coke Fantaskittle says sorry. Why are you sorry? Oh, I shouldn't take on 4 by myself. Maybe I should. So you sound cute. No, I don't sound cute. You're hearing things. Oh. Let's see if I can get that bug to happen where the Navy doesn't engage Xenos. That's a problem I gotta fix as well. Well, they engaged before, so... Yeah, here they go. They want to shoot now. Ah! Oh, fuck. This was not a good way to engage. My shield is gone. Ah! Probably didn't help that my shield's like all kind of like fucked up weirdly. Help me, Navy! What game is this? Freelancer. It's so good. It's so very good. Nice, yeah, it's super cool. I'm modding it. Missiles. Autocannon. Yeah, see, there's that voice again. What the fuck is that? Oh, bye. No. I've got a gunner! I've got a fucking co-pilot, apparently. It's awesome. Where's Liz? Yeah, I have a co-pilot. This is so cool. I gotta put the second pilot in the cockpit, apparently. Sick. Yeah, see how they're hitting me again, even though they're not hitting me. Need press voice back? Yeah, I wanna know how the fuck they're doing this. I wanna play with this. It's not fair if they have all the fun. I wanna use this system. I'm gonna get a Mongo Beef co-pilot pack. And a Euchre. We need a Euchre co-pilot pack if this is a thing we can do now, apparently.
Shield restored.
Yeah, well, this thing is beating shit up. I love banking in this. I just love seeing those, like, wings and that, like, fighter-like tail. This is cool. I could fly me one of these. Balance testing will have to reveal if, like, it's kind of... Like, if having the hybrid slots, the kinetic slots that combo ballistic and missile, if that's, if that level of choice is too OP compared to having, what am I trying to say? Compared to having less hull and power regen and a bit more mass. Dyson says, Copilot doesn't mean you can make a Copilot equipment slot and then you can implement Pilot Pokemon. Yes! Dyson! Oh my god! How are you so smart? Yes! Imagine you go out into, like, deep space and you find, like, the rare, like, Prez life pod in the alien system. Copilot breeding was... Whoa, 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 whoa! I mean, we could make that system, but whoa! Scope creep, McDyson! I'm gonna make a Git issue for Milo to wake up to that's like, pilot breeding. Let him just... No comment on him. Let him just parse what that means. Pilot breeding, and the comment in the description just says, like, it is not scope creep. It is scoped for 0.1. We are adding this. Ah, missiles in my fucking face. I'm just gonna fly past. I like flying this thing a fucking lot. Dyson, you nail it with these designs, man. They're so cool. Every single one of the designs is different in a way that I fuck with, and I want to fly all of them for different reasons. Especially after playing with, like, the vanilla style ships for so long, where, like, they just add like another fin here and there. It's so cool to have different ships that, like, actually all look really different for their weight class differences. It's really cool. Really, really cool. Hello, missile. Uh-oh. It sounds like a vanilla line? Maybe that's, like, meant to be Junie or something? It's like reused Freelancer lines, perhaps? Doesn't really sound like Jennifer Hale.
Shield restored. Incoming missile.
Jennifer Hale and Hardy. Bye. Bye. Whoa! Dodge that missile. Uh-oh. Taking fire. Taking fire. I'm fucked. Shield! Shield, help me! Shield, come the fuck back on. Thank you. Fuck. Got my ass. They blew me the fuck up. They did the classic AI turret turn on me. They got my ass. These are dailies we're trying to make work as well. They kind of work, but they kind of have some problems we're trying to fix with them before we put them on live server. But we are trying to have it be like this is a thing you can have soon where you get daily tasks that give you like rare rewards when you complete them. You know, move shit around. We may have a different system in because these might have bugs that we can't fix from main right now. Might be scoped for version 0.2 of this mod. We're at 0.1 right now of everything. But the idea is eventually, hopefully sometime soon, you'll have these where you log on, you get these, you can reroll them, and you get cool rewards for it. Right now it's all superconductors. I don't know fucking why. It's reroll tasks, right? Help. Tasks. Tasks. Help. Tasks. Help. Help daily tasks. Reset tasks. You did tasks. You've been correct. Show tasks. Love the superconductors. Destroy 13 Liberty Navy ships. Buy 2 units of superconductors. Destroy 10 Navy ships. There you go. It's, fucking wants me to kill some Navy ships now, apparently. It's got different numbers for it. Interesting, because it's repicked up. The idea is these are the same between... Daily B1 Pilot. These are the same between, all your characters on your account. So, I guess that's kind of cool because it, like, encourages you to, like, play different, like, alts. Like, if you got the Destroy Liberty Navy one, you'd be like, on your lawful play, you'd be like, oh, no, no, no. And then you'd switch to your, like, pirate alt, and you'd be like, it encourages you to play, like, your different alts, right? Like, oh, you switch to your trader alt because you need to, like, ship some superconductors for a reward. So I guess it's kind of cool, actually. Like, encourages you to have, like, not just one character, but, like, a bunch of different characters. I like that, actually. That's cool. Kind of incidental, but cool. Alright, what was the thing I need to do before I forget? I need to move where... Because the missiles are working now. I need to move the Denver sale points, and then I think there was another thing. No, maybe not. I just gotta move equipment so that it's being sold on Denver again properly, and then I just need to... Need to add these to the Xenos, though. They're going to be a bit busty. Busted until we fix the shields. But just more reasons to fix the shields and easier to test and see how fucked their shields are, and we can fix them soon. Okay. Because I think we fixed it for the Orca. I think Dyson and Marlo looked at it and was like, oh yeah, here's the problem. Fixed it, redid it, and then it worked fine. I think it's broken again now, though. So maybe at some point we lost which one's up to date, but they'll figure it out, I'm sure, as long as I just ping them and be like, help! So, let's just fix where... Look at those walrus fangs on the front. Let's just fix where... guns are sold, real quick. And I'll commit all this shit. And then I guess I'll take a crack at adding them as enemies. That'll be fun. That'll be something different. So I just gotta do some notepadding, one sec. Moment. Give me a moment. I should go to main scene Freelancer. She can sheet a notepad as I do it. Go and market ships. That's cool, but what we want here, actually... Well, we're going to want to put the civilian fighters back. I should probably do that now before I forget. There we go, because you can get these on Ure. Anyway, and... What do I need? I need... Data... BMOD... Equipment, Market, MISC, I believe. Yes, and this is where everything is sold. So here's Denver. We just need to add stuff back to it that got taken away from it for whatever reason. So we need those. PPCs, LAS L, LAS S. Just make sure we got all that. I've got LAS S there. Haven't used the lasers really much since I've started playing again. I should get back into them. So there we go, add the PPC back there, and then let's also grab... Let's grab... There they are. The twin missile launchers. Grab those two. Do we have rockets and torps on Denver? Yeah, we have rockets and torps, okay. We just gotta go here. Add all that. Terrific, terrific. Wait, is that right? I think I fucked that. I did fuck that a bit, hang on. Copy from right at the top. So there's LRMs, blah 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 blah. That should be good. What? Oh, the fleet ones, whoops. There we go. I should add them for sale there just fine. Okay. Probably just commit a bunch of stuff, test that worked, and then start adding some of these new ships as Xenos enemies. We'll make new loadouts for them, like we made for the last BMOD stream where I made the bomber loadout enemy. We'll just make new loadouts for them, so it's really cool we were able to work out that worked then. Because now I won't have them completely replace the existing Falcon line ships that the Xenos were using. I think I'll try them at a blend, like maybe 50-50 for testing, and maybe even turn it down more later. But we'll try these out. We'll get these in. So, first of all, let me just commit some stuff. You can't see this, one sec. Equip shield, gonna discard that. Doing my dev chores back here, 1 second. Market misc, yes. That's its own change, I'll do that as its own change. Market ships, yep. BMOD equip engine, equip power plant, equip scanner, equip tractor, good engine, good power plant. Good scanner, good tractor, BMOD ship good. BMOD ship arch, commit. Angler HF. Added via sheet. New Dyson HF added. No, it still has the... No, it. And the Manta. And the Orca question marks. Even though we fixed it. Still... have the weird yeet physics on their shield boxes. Hey, Insta-Giblet, just doing some development of BMO, what's up? Insta-Giblet. Weird yeet physics on their shield boxes, and the hitboxes for those seem to be in the wrong places still again. This ship line currently is for sale on Ur only. Return Denver to Civline ships for now. Commit. We'll also commit the market change, which is added missing basic weapons to Denver's sale. Denver did not have PPC, these L lasers, or twin SRM LRM launchers. Players do not currently have any intuitive way to know they should go looking on other bases to buy these guns, and are likely to just believe if it's not on Denver, it's not out there to be found. So for now, till we have proper direction and signposting, making sure Denver is a one-stop shop for the basics. Committed. We're going to push both of those. Push both of those. Build again, I guess. Then let's make some NPCs. Oh, the game's open. Fuck! Don't build. It's gonna break. Fool! 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 It's okay. It'll break. It'll break cleanly. It won't mess anything up. I just have to run it again. Just woke up. Ah, was it a good sleep? Insta-Giblet. Do you prefer Insta-Giblet or Insta-Giblet? That's your choice. Which do you like? Oh, hey, my good boy. I got a little seat I added next to my chair, and my kitty is sitting next to me on it. They all like it. I like that. You add a little piece of furniture and your pets are all over it. I love that. We're gonna buy them baby chairs. I seen some cats in baby chairs. I was like, that's so good. We need to get them for them. I don't buy furniture for myself. We just buy furniture for our pets, you know? We don't need a new couch. But you buy a chair for your cat sits in it, and you're like, yeah, that's what life's about. That's what we needed. Okay, so that's building. Meanwhile, time for NPCs. After I test this works. Where do I do this again? Okay, there's NPC ships. We need NPC ships. And some of our folders, files open again. Banny says, well, the chat that has watched you through your old Death Trap chair arc knows. Yeah, actually I have to admit, guys, I'm back in the old chair. Because my new chair I bought to be better than the old chair has got old now, and it was never as comfortable. I always missed the old chair. It was my guilty pleasure. I never admitted I always missed the old chair. So all I did is I looked at the old chair. I was like, you know what? Actually, the way the gas cylinder is placed on it is actually safer than the new chair anyway, now that they're both old. And I bought a new cushion to deal with the fact that the upholstery is all falling off, and now I'm sitting in my old chair again with like a big cushy cushion put on top of it. So I'm back in the old chair. I've been back in the old chair for like a month plus. I haven't told anyone. My new chair, which is now my new old chair, is over in the corner, and the cats use it. It's their furniture now. It was a thin one. It was never comfy. Years of never being comfortable. I miss this old chair. It's so good. Okay, I just want to double check. No, that's fine. That should be working. So I'm going to do some NPCs now. Bring back the Notepad++. So I'm going to close this stuff I don't need anymore, because that's just how I kind of like keep track of what I'm doing. Just be like, okay, you know, don't need this anymore. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Ignore the state graph editing. Laz was showing me how to do state graphing, which is cool. That's our changelog, which is in progress. What we need now is... oh, I need to fix the load too, but that is what I should do. Okay, I've got like 2 hours left, right? And I'm gonna put in NPCs using the new ships with loadouts. I'm gonna I'll rebalance the PPCs and the L lasers. And if I can squeeze it in the end, I'm gonna try to get the Lidlau and Tika space respawning, well, not respawning, actually. Stop their respawnings so that they work better. So that's a few things to do. Let's speed it up. I'll try to torque less and do more. So that means I need loadouts NPC, right? Yeah, I need loadouts NPC. Special forces. Where's the bomber I made? Here's the bomber. Okay. Cool. Just wanted to make sure I still had that. Whatever files. Let's open all the files I need. Where's NPC ships? NPC ships, NPC ships. I guess I can just do that on the spreadsheet. And as long as I set it up right... Oh, faction prop. That's the other one. Faction prop. That's the one I need. Faction prop. Where is faction prop? Faction prop. That's the one I need. It's not in the BMOD folder. It is in the main big folder. It's in missions. Yep, open that up too. Let's see. X script. So I have to add it down here. Okay, cool. Let's add some new loadouts for these shits. So we need one new loadout each. Oh shoot, I guess we need them for like rookies and stuff too. Oh crap, so I guess actually I need to like copy the existing loadouts. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I see what I have to do. If I want them everywhere, that is. And I do kind of want them everywhere. Probably won't make elites of them yet, but we'll make rookies and veterans of them, I think. We'll worry about making elites of them after. But rookies and vets are like good to get them on right now. Elites, don't be lazy. Make elites of them too. Don't be a lazy bitch, because it's always like, oh, I'll do it later, but then you never do it later, and like 6 months later, you still don't have elites. Fuck it, we'll do elites as well. But not aces, because aces aren't a thing yet. That's a thing that Cats is working on, and we haven't put in the game yet for everyone else. So yeah, we're just gonna make like new copies of... I guess vet is like, it's kind of a loadout too. That's weird. We'll probably just make rookies, pilots, I guess vets as well, elites, and then all this other stuff. Don't have to worry about right now. Okay. So here's what I need to do. I need to go like this. And we just need to change this to JU for the new ship types to do the junker ships. Like that. We're going to make all these loadouts. JU, JU, veteran, JU, 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 elite. Make elites, don't be lazy. JU, JU, JU. Okay, we'll get rid of those spaces in a second, but for now, it is what it is. Now I need to make these in NPC ships. I also need to make loadouts for them. Let's make the loadouts first, because that comes first, I think. So, let's just start from the start, yeah? BM, CV, HF, FC, X Group, Ace. I can use machine guns from them for a change, I guess. I'd give them a different loadout, maybe. We'll see. Show me the Xenos Light Fighters. Okay. So I just need to take all of these, I guess, and just, like, copy them. Xenos CV Light Fighters. I'll just make Xenos JU Light Fighters. We won't do Ace yet. Don't worry about that yet. Boop. Xenos JU Light Fighters. JU goes in there. This is the loadout stuff we're going to call in a second. This isn't a thing yet, so I don't think I can change that yet. Archetype, BMJULF. Barley says, when you think about it, cryogenically frozen animals in seas would be a great loot item. One must imagine that when touring the vast and barren expanse of space, a few familiar plants and animals are a welcome sight. Yeah! Yeah, cryogenically frozen. I mean, don't even have to be frozen, just loot a dog. Just loot a fucking dog. Go on, why not? Get a dog co-pilot, just barks at you in the backseat. That sounds great. Okay, BMJU LF engine. This bit we can just like copy to everything. Or actually just go like CV and just change it, right? Yeah, here's what I'm gonna do actually. Find and replace time. BMCV turns to BMJU. Get the dog as your pilot. Yeah, like Ace Combat, that's right. Bum. 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 I don't think I can do that yet. I have to ask Milo if I can change that. That's his thing. It's like a debugging thing. Wait. Hang on. Too far. Yeah, just to here. Almost fucked up the ionize. Okay, so that actually makes them a new ship, and then it's just how you want to change their loadout up. So how do we want to change their loadout up? Weapon 4. 3 is the one on the right. These are both kinetics. See, now I don't want to give them a bunch of autocannons is the thing, but I also don't want to give them double missiles. Because I don't want, like, the generic enemy you fight to have 2 missiles. Because that just sounds super annoying. So I'm probably not going to give them, like, overwhelming loadouts. Probably just going to give them, like, normal shit. Just have them be, like, an aesthetic difference in a lot of ways. Later on when we make the elites, I'll probably make the elites and maybe the veterans have the overwhelming loadouts of, like, double missiles or autocannons and shit. The AI's kind of dumb of using autocannons anyway, so... So for now, what do they got right now? 1, 2... 5, 7. Do they have an autocannon just with no ammo for it? 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. No, they just don't have anything in HP 03. So even if I don't give them ammo to shoot it with, I'll probably give them an autocannon just to be there aesthetically. And if we ever figure out how to make the AI smart with using autocannons, then we can just give them ammo for it. But for right now, Miss SRM01, yes, sounds good. They have a lot of ammo. Poor quality, yeah, because they're rookies. And then I guess... And I can't just leave it empty for right now. People won't notice that way. That's fine. Makes the AI a little worse against you than you realize, but it's better for balance. So I guess I don't need to change the rookie and vet loadouts. I guess I can just leave them as is. And then it's the... or rookie and pilot. Veteran and elite is probably where I start to give them, like, cannons they use and lasers and shit. Dumbfire rockets like missiles but dodgeable. Yeah, this is the thing, though, is... Like, it's cool when you think, like, oh, we'll give them... I want to do that. I want to give them, like, we'll give them rocket pods or bombs. What will actually happen in-game is the minute they see you, like, the minute you're within 2,000 meters, they will just hold down the trigger, like, fire every fucking rocket that will go nowhere near you, and then they're gone in, like, half a second. It'll just look stupid. So, unfortunately, the AI is kind of dumb as fuck when it comes to different weapon types. They don't really... all they understand is gun. They don't understand, like, anything else. So that's why I can't really give them rocket pods and have them use them. That would be my dream, is to be able to have them actually do, like, attack runs with FFARs and drop bombs on you. But these fuckers don't even know not to shoot you with a torpedo. These fuckers don't even know, like, torpedo for big ship, not for fighter. Like, they just don't get it. These fuckers don't even know, like, don't, like, shoot a missile while you're going backwards because it won't have momentum to do anything. They're dumb as fuck. They just don't get it, so... Can't do that for them, unfortunately. NPCs have their loadouts designed differently. Nah, torp everything. Yeah, torp is the closest to being fair enough. Well, why give the rocket pods a beginning rate? It doesn't work that way, Jeff. It's just an example so you understand it. It doesn't work that way. I'm telling you, it doesn't work that way, unfortunately. They would just waste them. It would not... I mean, they might shoot them right. I don't know for sure, but they probably don't do anything cool with them. They might only shoot them when they're looking at you, but it's like a weird thing. It's not something I really care to do, to be quite honest. So for now, I probably just leave them like this. I could give them, well, no, just like this for now. Anyway, fuck it. Point is, leave it like that. Oh, we have to take off these for now, or at least comment this out, because they don't have lights yet. We'll probably bring these back when I give them that shit, but for right now, no dice. These nuts, what's up, Sammy? Barley says, I guess we can give them a special AI-only rocket pod that fires only one rocket per pod for 10 seconds. Yeah, but that would just be, like, look weird as well. But if we get burst fire, maybe we can, like, yeah, do weird shit. Anyway, probably not something to do with them, to be honest, because it would be a lot of work to make them still use them kind of wrong. I want that, though. I want them to use them correctly. That would be nice. Or even, like, vaguely correctly. Just not brain-deadedly would be nice. But it is not within our reach right now. Hang on. Just let me get rid of all the lights before I forget. Because I will forget. That's done. Leave the pilot build as it is. Now let's give the vets some nastier shit. So for the veterans, what if we also gave them an LRM? That sounds mean. See, it sounds mean, but importantly, LRMs are more dodgeable than SRMs, so it doesn't make the player like too fucked or anything. But then HP open with 0-3. So if you're not paying attention, they could fuck you up like this. But, you know, probably not gonna be too terrible? We'll see. And then, last one is the Elite. The Elite, I want to give something really fucking scary. I think I'm going to give the Elite twin light autocannons. And the annoying thing for me with the autocannons is that they will shoot them when you have shields, and autocannons aren't good against shields, so it's a waste. However, unlike the missiles, at least they are firing a gun and will hit you with it. It might not do anything to you. It might do very little damage. It does a bit of damage to your shield. It might not do much. But, I mean, with two of them, I mean, these things are going to be scary. This is just going to be OP for sure. I'm going to have to nerf these guns at some point. But yeah, we don't even give them a missile. I should start giving them pilot missiles, too. That's what I forgot. Let's give them pilot missiles. Maybe not for the babies. But for the vets, definitely. Let's go, I have to change their hardpoints, too. These hardpoints are wrong. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6... Yes. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Has to be 6. Has to be 6. Because then... yes. What is it called? Let me grab what we call those. We're going to give weapon pylons back to them. Missile pylons back to them. Yes! It's been too long. We're going to give them their LRMs back. Player Orcs missiles. We call them... We have NPC versions of these, I think, but I don't know where the fuck they are. I'm gonna do that right now. I'll add it to them later when we get NPC versions back. I need to make the NPC versions of them again. Oh no, wait, is that the one? Hang on. Alarm pylon. Yes, there's the NPC pylon. Yes, good. Okay, we got this shit. BM NPC Miss LRM Pi is what I'm looking for. I just need to add that like this. Boom. That goes on 7 and 8 are these pylons. Ooh, but that's not gonna work with... Fuck, hang on, shit. I can't give them LRMs then. Shit. That doesn't... I gotta read... I gotta redo that, fuck. NPC. Just looking at something, sorry. Because they use the same damn ammo, don't they? BM ammo. Fuck, where's your ammo? What ammo do you use? BM miss LM. Okay, I gotta fix that later. They can't have these right now unless I don't... Unless I give them double SRM, which is fucking scary. I could just give them an autocannon. Could just give them a scary autocannon and just give these guys like double autocannons. Yeah, I guess. See how that feels? Okay, fuck it. We're gonna give you an autocannon. Never mind. Because the point is, I want to only give them enough shots so they can do that twice, basically. We give them ammo so they can fire these twice, and that's it. Because it's a certain way I make it work for them, basically. So, there you go. There's your pylons mounted. But I need to make this an autocannon now. Hang on. Where is... This thing's gonna be busted OP. I'm gonna have to take it off them as soon as I give it to them. As soon as I fucking give it to them, I'm gonna take it off them. You just wait and see. But it's time to try new things. Here we go. Light AC. NPC Orcs. BM NPC Orcs. ACL 1X. B. This thing is gonna fucking go crazy. Okay. Do we have an NPC version of that right now? Just add a normal version for right now. Just add... There, just take the NPC bit off. I just have to add some ammo for you. It's like 900, right? This thing is gonna be massively unfun to fight, and I will probably remove it. But we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. Try it out. What is your ammo called? I have no fucking idea. Can't find that in my spreadsheet. Hang on, I gotta like go look for it in the actual folders. Equipment. BMOD good. BMOD equipped guns, I believe. Or is that the old one? BMOD equipped guns. It might be in guns. ACL. There we go. This is what I want. Grab that. With the loadouts. Here you go. Light autocannon ammo. The limit is 810, so don't go over that. There you go. That is funny. And then we're just going to give them 2 of these fucking things, I think. For the elite. Down here in Elite Town, as it were. We're going to go... grab everything. From here up to here. Get those pylons. And rather than the SRM, we're going to just show you how busted we can be by having 2 of these fucking autocannons. And we'll see how fun that feels. It's not. It's going to be horrible. I'm going to die to these things a lot. But that's elites for you. They're meant to be scary. Rare but scary. And you're pretty fucking loaded up, hey? Leave it at that. I guess I should actually give you the plus one. I should give you the plus AC so that you can loot it off these fuckers. Yeah, even fucking better. Give them the fucking even better autocannons. Great. This will not be terrible. Done. Now, before I do the heavy fighters and the VHFs, this is going to take me probably the rest of the day. Let's just get this in, make sure it's working, and then once that's working, do the next ones. So the last piece of the puzzle now, I think the last piece of the puzzle anyway, should be that we add this to NPC ships and we should be good to go. Okay. Hopefully in 10 minutes we'll be fighting these things. And I'll fight as the Falcons just to test them. Civilian versus Xenos, you know? In case you can't see this bit, let me just do something. Let me see ships. Okay, let's add a bunch of shit. Let's add a bunch of shit. BM... Where's what I'm looking for? Oh, that's added weird. Okay, BM, CV, HF. What the fuck? There they are. BM, CV, LF, FC. Okay, grab all of these, please, me. Add these down the bottom. I'm just gonna do some changing of some shit. CV becomes JU. Everything else can stay the same. Hopefully I didn't make any typos and this just works, because it'll be annoying tracking down typos in this. Unlawful, BM class fighter, BM class light fighter. Okay, this should actually work. I'm going to test this now and we might be off to the races. Save that. Oh, get rid of the spaces. Wait, hang on. I need to get rid of the other ones. Hang on. Fuck. I should comment them out. Just go... Because I haven't done these ones yet, so let's just comment out these ones until I get to them. There you go. Wait, whoops. Whoa, fuck. Hang on, I just commented out the civilian ones. Whoopsie. Beagle and Macon typos that would have broken the entire game accidentally. Name a more iconic duo. Just leave some line breaks in there like this. I don't know if I even need to comment this. I think Freelancer handles line breaks pretty fine, but just to be safe. So we've got all of our civilian ones still in, and then we just got the JU light fighters in. If we load this now, we should actually be ready to go. Can you take 2 minutes to tell us how the Python extension is working for you? No, I can't. I'm sorry. It was absolute hell getting to this point, so no, I can't. One sec. I'm flying the commits out here. Back to the main screen for a sec. Because next thing we should be loading this up and trying to kill some. Stretchy. Got some good stuff done. I haven't got to work on BMOD for a bit, this much, for like a week plus, so it's nice to get back into it, get it done. Feel good. Feels good to get back to the mod. I love this mod. I do not want to take another year off it. Definitely do not want to get out of touch of working on it. I want to stick on this for good now. It's too much fun. That should be done. Now we just load it up and see if it worked right, I guess. Let's see, I'll do single player testing first, then we'll test it on multiplayer if it seemed to work. Excuse me, launching. Now, if I did this right, and go here, we should be able to get them spawning. I should have used my new developer test area if I was being smart. They should be replacing light fighter spawns. If I don't get one, I remember how this wasted so much time last time. If I don't get one soon, I'll just go and do it in my test area. There we go! Boom! Ricky Nugent. Ah! You can see flying into it, the hitbox problems even more, and the NPCs having a problem with their hitboxes too. We gotta fix that. But the damn thing worked, which is great. Whoops. No, not quick. Low quick save. The damn thing works. Terrific. There it is, the little fucker. It's taking accidental friendly fire from its friends, poor thing. Great, that's working. Let's go like a loadout. Okay, terrific. Take me to the other fields. Let me see them in the other fields. See the other loadout. Just make sure everything's working, you know? Yep, there's one. That's a rookie. Show me like a pilot if you can. Veteran, what's your build? Come over here, Elizabeth. You can see how the NPCs are having a very hard time because of the hitbox bugs. That looks like just a normal kind of vet without the extra autocannon. I don't know if anything other than that actually spawns with these guys. I think I don't use the other one yet. So... Oh, you actually see like how big like the targeting thing on is it too because of like the bug. That's funny. Its shield must be just like way wacky big and the game knows it. Oh, I think I didn't take the lasers off them too. That's the thing I gotta write down. Take the lasers off their builds too. Take lasers off. Make a list. Rebal, L laser, PPC. Lasers in general. Ludlow, Tikas, Absol. There's so much work to do on this. Okay, lovely though. Like it is there. It is working. Finally, if I go up here to Alamosa.
Objective. Warning. Sensor efficiency.
Wait till we get one. There they are. Little cuties, but where is the elite version of them before I explode here? I want to find an elite one. Go away, Independences. Veteran. Just let me see an elite one of them spawn, I'll be pretty happy. Veteran. Might hold off on adding them to the other. Well, I'll add them anyway because we are going to fix that shield shit, obviously. It's probably helpful to make sure it's been fixed. Rookie. Veteran. There's your elite. With twin light ACs. Oh, baby. And you can see him fucking pelting me with them. Fuck you. Exactly as intended. Don't know if they're accurate with them yet. Might have to tweak that behavior in. I haven't got my weapon set up, I see. I was just selling stuff. Alright, cool. So that works, even though they're, you know, bugging me to fix that, but that works. Good. Good. Should I do the rest of them now? It didn't take me that long, and then they're all kind of like done. And then as the behavior gets fixed, they're just in there. It's kind of cool. I guess, yeah. I guess I'll do the rest of them. Though, the Hawks, it's like, it's kind of like gonna break everything till we fix it. I probably will just leave it. Probably do it now and maybe even just comment them out, actually. I'll just do it now and I'll comment them out, and I'll just say, hey, you know, uncomment this when you want to test them as enemies, and we'll uncomment this for real when, when we fix the shield problem. So let's just do the rest of them now, I guess. So we're just going to do what we did just there, but just twice more. Once for the heavy fighters and once for the very heavy fighters. So, Xenos, civilian heavy fighters. Oh, before I do this, I'm going to commit my git as well. Commit. Push. Okay, Xenos CV heavy fighters. Let's copy all that. Not the aces. Don't need to do them yet. They're very bespoke. We can do them on their own. And just do that again. So again, we're going to find and replace. Just replacing BMCV with BMJU. Not that one, though. Skip. Bum, 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 bum. Dun, dun. Dun, dun. Dun, dun. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Done. Now just quickly go over their shit again. What am I going to change about them? Again, probably just don't change anything about the basic ones. Just leave them as an aesthetic change. Something different. But then for the vets and elites, we give them new shit. Again, get those pylons. Let's go back up and just copy them from how we did it for the light fighters, because that's nice and quick. Yeah, I don't think the vets are actually cold right now, so we can just leave that, I guess. And just go... Or do it, Beagle. It'll be good. You'll never come back to this shit for months. Do it now. It's the vet. Yeah, grab it from the vet. I do need to change our hardpoints too. Fuck, did I remember to do that with the others? Yes, I did. Not with you though. Whoops. Your gun would not have been right at all. I I remember to do it with you, but not with you. There we go, fix that. Put them in the right mounts at least. Good one, catch that before that's a problem. Okay, as I was saying. Grab all of this. Go down to the new ones. Go to the vets. Just whack this down here to copy from. What autocannon do we want on these guys? Maybe a heavy autocannon, I think. So ACH. I should be able to just do this by hand. ACH. Oh, they get a large slot, remember? Maybe give them the twin SRM launcher, actually. Yeah, let's do that. So, what is twin SRM launcher? Let me look that up. It is BMMIS. Yep, okay, got it. Weapon 3, that ain't right. Heh, that ain't right. There you go, have that instead. Full SRM ammo for you, you're gonna need it. Weapon 1, weapon 2. Your weapons are all fucked up. Weapon 05. Where's weapon 06? Yeah, but that's not right. You wanna switch. Well, no, hang on. We wanna go equip weapon 04. That's gonna be the autocannon. We'll make that an autocannon heavy. Or autocannon medium, perhaps? No one ever uses those. Sure, something different. Fuck it. Autocannon heavy it is. Committed. Cargo. We'll give you some autocannon heavy ammo. You can have, I don't know how much you actually get, but probably 120 would be more than enough, to be quite honest with you. Then we need another one of these for weapon 6. Get rid of that. And I actually didn't copy in the SRM launcher thingy. No, I did. I see. I did this wrong. I had a weapon 4 already. Okay. That gives us weapon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's all kind of in the wrong order. Fuck it. I'm not fixing that right now. But as long as you've got one of each, that's fine. Okay, great. So yeah, you got a twin SRM launcher and you got a that. Oh, and you also want the pylons because you're a vet. So we'll grab these LRM pylons, which Cat absolutely fucking hates. Hates the Groglancer pods. Just slap those in there. Terrific. You're done. We'll just do the same thing for the elite. We'll just take all of this. We'll come down here. Come down here. Weapon 1, weapon 2. We want XP1 on the end of this shit. I guess just copy it in and add XP1 to it. Okay, so we'll just go from here down to CD launcher ammo. Okay. Where is that? Yeah, to here. Okay, go all the way down. That's fucking weird. 6. Gun. Where's my ammo? Okay, I see it. Yep, go down to here. They already have an autocannon. We're going to give them one in a different spot. Oh, they already have the pylons, but they're in the wrong spot. So we have to change that. Delete all this. Seven, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1, 2. Just give them XP1. That means +1, basically. It's enhanced gear. So we'll just change B from basic to XP1, meaning enhanced. So we'll do the same for the autocannon. We won't do it for the twin SRM right now. I don't think I've even made plus versions of them yet, so we can't do that yet. Oh, I guess they can have, yeah, XP1s of this too. Right? Let me check that that's named right. Hey, regardless, thank you for the that. Thank you for the that. Thank you for the sub. I can't have that yet, actually, because it's not VC versions. Thank you, regardless, for the sub. Welcome, welcome. VNF says sub, what's new? Nothing much, man. Just, Freelancer modding. XCOM Kitchen tomorrow if you want to see more of it, but just Freelancer modding for now. Got another hour and a bit, hour and a half in me. That'll be done. Shouldn't there be 2 more things? SP1? No. 1. Okay, that's right, yeah. Thank you for the that. Yeah, the sub. Sorry, my brain failed there really bad. Thank you for the that. Sorry. That's cool. A few more cruise disruptors for you as a treat. Nah, let's not do that. People hate that. It's toxic. Is that them done? And then we'll just do the very heavy fighters and all should be well. I guess I'll split them up again just to be safe. Yeah, it's safer if I split them up. Okay, which means I just need to go to the spreadsheet, add new NPC ships again. I need to go to fashion prop and uncommit all of these shits in a sec. Bum, bum, bum. Not uncommit, uncommon, I mean. Do all of that. Let me just add some NPC ships in the sheet you can't see. BMOD CVHFX. Copy. Paste. Copy and paste. Great. Once again, just exchanging CV for JU, civilian for Junker. Glad how easy this works, though. I was worried I was gonna make a horrible typo and everything, be like fucking a pain to hunt down as it sometimes is. Lucky me, not today. Okay, that's added. Yeah, I think we're good to send it again. Let's send it again, man. Build it again. We'll get back in a sec. Oop, fuck, close the game, close the game! Ah, close the game! It's not good when the game is not closed and you try to do that. Just break shit. If this works, we'll do it again for the VHFs, then, you know, we'll probably comment out all of the work until we fix the shield hitboxes. Well, if it's dev build, we'll leave it on, so every time someone tries to play the dev build over the next, hopefully not too many days before we push this to main, and it's like, oh, that's broken, it'll remind someone to go, like, we need to fix that, because this should be fixed, like, immediately. This is a high priority problem, of course. Boom, 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 boom. So it's good, probably good to leave it in, because then, like, as soon as you stop seeing weirdness, you'll be like, oh, it's working. Okay, are we completed? Yes, I think we are. Let's try it out. I should test all this in multiplayer too. But first of all, let's just test again that they're spawning. This will be easier, I can just go to, pretty much any field and... Whoa, shit! Ah! I feel like the rookie field and test this pretty easily. And there you go, there's your angler right there. Cool. Working. Check their loadouts, make sure it kind of seems vaguely right. Yep, that seems vaguely right. See if I get a vet one. Taking on Xenos. There are no Xenos. There's your veteran version. Again, looks vaguely right. That's the pilot version of them. Looks about right. Then just let me check it out over here. Wait, if I did elite ones, what do they call them? Hang on. What do they do for them? Did I change them or did I fuck that up? Or was elite just identical? Did I not actually change them? No, I did. I gave them XP1. I gave them... I didn't change their other shit though. I should change them. I should give them double autocannons again. Double autocannons or double missiles or something nasty. So what do they got right now? They got a twin SRM in the veteran mode. Yeah, for the elites, give them like fucking twin autocannons or something nasty. Twin... Give them a shredder and a heavy or some crazy shit. That'd be fucked up. That'd be fucked up. Would that be fucked up? Maybe the twin missiles are just better there, actually. Yeah, probably just leave twin missiles on them, actually. It's just a better loadout, I think. Okay, anyway, point is, let's go check that.
Warning. Objective. Scanning.
That ain't right. Oh, that's a vat. Never mind. Need an elite. Give me an elite. What is this? Derek. Derek Smart. Derek Smart. Yep, there you go. Have you got the right ammo? Yes. Good. Come back. That looked vaguely right, but I want to be sure. Yeah, that looks about right. Got the twin SRMs. Scary. We love to see it. Oh, you're so pretty! You're when you're not like Gmod ramming me. So pretty! So pretty, so pretty. Okay, great. So that's done. Last one. We just need to do all that again for the VHFs, and we're kind of like done with this right now, which will be cool. Maybe I can like do some of the other stuff that I want to get done before my stream's done. Where is very heavy fighters, me friendos? Right here. Xenos, civilian very heavy fighters. Oops, fuck before I do that. Commit. Commit my shit. Anglers added to Xenos spawns. Like the Manta commits just before. Angler. Dyson's new Junker HF Angler can now spawn as a Xenos Heavy Fighter loadout variation. Commit. Push. Push to GitHub. Now I can change it. Okay. Xenos Civilian Very Heavy Fighters. Copy all that. Except for the aces, which we don't fuck with right now. Oh, there's my bomber too. Yeah, I mean, I guess I have a bomber loadout version that has like mad torpedoes going on, right? You gotta. Unless just by default you're gonna give it that, but nah. Give it a loadout twist. That'll be fun. Not even really using that bomber too much yet, but that's alright. Whatever. Should probably get that AI for it changed. Anyway, boom. Xenos, what is this, by the way? Xenos Mules. Okay, Xenos GU, again, find and replace time, baby. It's find and replace time, baby! BMCV, did you fix the story? Yeah, I did that a while ago. That one is done. The bomber version is gonna have fucking... Holy shit, it's gonna have twin torpedoes. It's gonna be awesome if it works. If it fucking works, you know, it's gonna be awesome. Did I do that last one? Right there, okay, cool. Great, that's found and replaced. Great. Great. Okay, so for the loadouts here, again, we're just gonna make sure like the hard points are in the right place. I just want to check I did that for the 3 fighters right, because I keep goofing that. Oh, I didn't get rid of their lights, but it doesn't seem to break anything, so whatever, that's fine. We'll add those lights soon anyway, hopefully. Ah, no, be good. Comment them out. Don't be lazy. Comment them out. Not commenting them out here would be lazy bad. Don't be a lazy bad. Comment out the lights. They're not being mounted right now properly. Do not leave them in. Who knows what that could cause, you know? Don't be that guy. Comment them out. And just double check it into hard points, right? But I'm certain I did. No, I didn't. Fuck, no, I didn't. Shit. That should be 6. That should be 6. That should be 5. I did not. Let's fix that. It's really easy when you're just doing one-track mind to skim over things and do them the wrong fucking way, unfortunately. I did not do that right. That should be 6. That should be 5. 3 is left undone. 4 is what it is. Okay, get rid of the lights again. Just want to make sure. Yeah, thank you, Gallius. Yeah, it's an important change to make, because I know, that's surrealistic. Fuck. Superliminal the first time was like, man, I can't find the twin SRM launchers. I think I actually told them, yeah, they're there on Denver, but I think I was lying to them in hindsight. Unless that was done beforehand. Anyway, take out these lights. These guys should be done right. Yeah, because I actually did these guys loadouts. So these guys are done right. Hello, Kumar. My boy is here on the other side. Oop. Bless fucking... Just bless Notepad++ for having like this contextual coloring. Come here, boy. Yeah, sit on my lap. Good boy. So I can see how that typo is so easy. Okay, that's them done, so that's me catching up on my work there. Now onto the very heavy fighters, which we actually wanted to do. Also, let's maybe like copy one of these so that we can use them. As we want for the other fuckers. There are Firefox extensions to get that to like highlight all. Oh, nice, terrific. So that's JU very heavy fighters. Let's do it. Okay, so again, I gotta change their hardpoints first of all. Then we'll do the other shit. So it is chin gun. Yep. And then 5 and 6 are the others. You don't get a 3 times here, right? No, you do. One of them is a 3 times, probably 5. 6. I gotta check that actually. Which one is that one? I gotta check. Sorry, 1 second. Which hardpoint has the large energy? 5. Okay, 5 has it. Perfect. Great. So yeah, 5 gets the large one. 6 gets the medium one. We can give the elites like PPCs and scary shit too, I guess. Or lasers. I'll give them lasers probably. I'll give them L lasers. They need something that can like reach out and touch. Okay, 1, 2. That's fine then. HP weapon 8. No. HP weapon 3. Hey, Yuka, how you doing? I'm here, Nabeagle. Hey, what's up, man? Hey, man, what's up? What do you want to give, like, a rookie one of these orcas? ACX? It's scary, but they still gotta hit you with it. I don't know. We just don't need to give them autocannons at all. Just give them, like, some missiles. Give them, like, a twin missile launcher. Maybe don't, like, give them any ammo for the ACX. Just have it not be there. I've been fighting the fixed Xenia emulation of Gears of War 3. That sounds like a terrific amount of fun. Not. How has that struggle been going for you, Euchre? That sounds like a chore. You get somewhere in the end of it? You get it where you wanted? Exploring solutions, I've peered into the very soul of an eldritch entity. Yeah, okay, that's about what I was expecting. Awesome. Terrific. That sounds like it's going great for you. Just like every time I try to mod Skyrim. Perfect. Glad to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that does not sound like it's going well for you. I am sorry to hear that. Actually, I got my solution. Oh, did you? Good. What was solution in the end? That's a win. We love to hear that. It's not ideal, but it works. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't have to be ideal, but if it works, it's all we can ask for, isn't it? What is the solution? Let's make that a B. 6 again. 1, 2, 3. No ammo. 4. Yep. Again. Fine. Get rid of the lights. June 1st. Yeah, it's gay time, Sammy. Have yourself a gay time. Pride beginning. Were you here earlier in the stream where the gay siren was going off in my area? Letting us know to stay indoors if we're straight? Whoop! It was going off. No, yeah, the gay pride siren was going off. Start of the stream, it scared me. I was like, holy shit. Now I remembered, now it's gay pride month. That's just the Australian gay pride siren. Very normal. Someone in chat pointed it out, thanks to them. Yeah, the gay rapture coming, yeah. That's right, this just must be a press. Yeah, it's that time of month again, it's that time of year. You criticism me when I'm gay, I'm not. Help me. What? You want me to help you be gay, Euchre? I'm in danger? Oh, you want me to hide you. Right. From the purge. Okay, sure. Come to Australia, step 1. We'll see what we can do for you. Bet? Yeah, come on over, Yuka. It'll be fun. One, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4. Okay. Now it's time for veteran. Embrace it? That's a great emote. I love that emote. I'm stealing that emote for my personal Discord. Oh, I can't. I gotta go onto Twitch. Hang on. I gotta get that. I can't like steal it from my channel, obviously, because that would be like, that's capitalism bad. But I can steal it from my, like, my personal Discord I use to spam jam over emotes. I'm taking that. That's a good one. Yoink. It's like NFTs. They're free. You can take as many of them as you want home. They don't like you knowing this, but you can steal as many NFTs as you want. I don't want any of those, so I don't have any. Emotes from my friend's Twitch? Oh, even better! Best buddy, tell him it's a great emote, and I just stole it to use privately with my wife. Love it. Okay. Laz, L. Yep, we'll leave the large Laz, because I blacked out, but we're down to here now. 1, 2. Okay, we're gonna go XP1. No, we don't, not for you. You should not have XP1. You should have B. Still, this is HP open 1, 2, 5. Yes, correct. 6. Where is AP open 6? Excuse me. Why do you not have one? Is it meant to be this? Just need to make one. Oh no, I just gotta set this. Okay, set this to, yep, done. Bum bum, and then we need 3 and that on you should have ammo. And it's the twin SRM. Okay, great. So I think you're good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. Then you do a bomber. Get rid of that, because it turns out I don't need all this shit, actually. It's all good. Don't need that shit. Bummer is the same one, but we add the torpedo. Excuse me, I make a burp. What is the torpedo called again? Miss Torpo 1. Okay, hang on. Hang on, Ms. Torp, if that is your real name.
Everything by the numbers.
We are gonna double up on this shit, and it is gonna be fucked up. I am here for it. No autocannon for you. You just get a motherfucking torpedo, and then, you know what? You get another torpedo. You get 2 fucking torpedoes. That's how cool you are. Fuck yeah. Oh, I gotta add the pylons too. I gotta add the wingtips. Almost forgot that. But that's all added. 1, 2, 3, 4, blah, blah, blah. Yep, that should be good. You can get rid of all that again now, I think. $200k rat coin reached. I have no idea what I'm going to use it on, but I have it. Yeah, just save it until like one day I lose my mind and I'm like, here, you can get like a free like iPod Zune if you redeem your rat coins, and then just like turn them in. Just get like 5,000 rat coin iPod Zunes and like just bankrupt me. Just completely ruin my life. Just wait for that. That'll be that. Yeah, save it for Talisman. That's basically that, but like bankrupting me emotionally. Okay, so it turns out I did need that overload out to pull from because I need those damn pylons. Give me the missile pylons. Yes, grab that. Yeah, it's really cool, Yuku. I think you're gonna love it, and I think you're gonna come play with us, and you're gonna love that too. It's really fucking cool. I can't stop thinking about it. It's so cool. I want to play more of it. It's so cool. More LRM pylons for them, for Gruglancer. Cats calls it Gruglancer because the NPCs tend to like face first, joust you, and fire 2 LRMs at point blank and all their SRMs at once. It's not what they're meant to do, but it's what he says they always do to him. And so they just like face kill him in one pass. He calls it Gruglancer for being like fucking red aggro go face, basically. You know what? I think that's great. Good for them. Good for Grug. Laz L for you. Maybe I can slip you a PPC here. Now that could be fun. Hey, that could be fun, couldn't it? What if you had a PPC? Yeah. Ooh, that's fun and different. On the bomber. Okay. Wait, you're not the bomber. Fuck. You're the wrong one. Shit. You're the ever one. You're the ever guy. The bomber down here. Add the pylons to this one too. And this is the one. Let's change this one to a PPC. Oop. Square C. There you go, bomber. You can have a PPC. You got big guns. You got 2 torpedoes because your daddy mod developer is very kind to you. Look at all those torpedoes. That's a beautiful amount of torpedoes, folks. We love how many torpedoes that is. That's great. And then the last one is just the elite. So just go up and grab this from you again, but we'll just add XP1 at the end of everything to go +1. So all of this. Und. That should be right, but we need to make everything XP1, so that's better. Well, we don't have versions of that for you yet, but for everyone else, XP1. I gotta add better versions of some of these orcs, right? Maybe, it might already exist. I can just give you, like, a non-NPC one. There you go. Though, does that have auto turret turned on? Probably not. Fuck, don't fuck with that right now. Well, maybe do fuck with that right now. Just see if it loads. I think the NPC variants might even already exist. I need to go back and change the other ones. Fuck! Shit gets annoying when you forget something important like that. Yeah. NPC version could have auto turret on. Can we just don't auto turret on for player guns? Anyway. NPC orcs done. Just fucking... I can't be fucked with that right now. Just leave it as basic, goddammit. Dumb. Down here to number 3. What do we want on this for the big gamer? Probably just leave it as the... Do you want to do, like, double AC shredders or something stupid like that? Double shredder autocannons? Just sounds like the most imposing thing. Like, it doesn't even matter if it's better, it just is scary. Running into someone who has fucking twin shredder autocannons just sounds frightening. Very, very frightening. Okay. We'll do that. Twin shredder autocannons sounds very... very frightening, and we're gonna go with that. And get rid of those lights. Yeah, add a note to myself as well. Figure out NPC XP1 edit versions. Having auto turret properly without having bloat clones. I'll understand what that note means because I'm smart. Equip. Get the equip out of here. Nope, keep that. I think I'm fucking done. So uncomment all this. Terrific. I just have to go back to my spreadsheet one last time and add these motherfuckers to the NPC ships, and I'm done with this, probably. I can, like I said, comment it all out again and have it be like I never did it at all until it gets fixed. No, I said I wasn't going to do that, actually. Never mind. I was going to leave it in so people fixed it. That's right. Everybody likes me. I'm a great developer. Okay, replacing for the last time CVU of JU. I'm really excited to try, you guys talking about SP Tarkov. I really want to try Solar's new, Sane build, actually, because it's got the new shit in where you can, like, get shot less if you expose a smaller amount of yourself, as you would expect, which is cool. Like, their AI doesn't have, like... Their AI has worse accuracy on you, as you would expect, if, you're only showing, like, a small part of your body rather than your whole body. Which is cool. We definitely like that. Okay, added all that, gonna add a new bomber as well. BMJU bomber, I'm adding the fucking Stuka into my mod, apparently. BMJU bomber. J. Jonah Jameson bomber. JU. Okay. Okay. These guys don't actually show up naturally right now because I haven't got their pilot working yet. But when I do, ooh, they're gonna get your ass. Ooh, they're gonna get ya. For now, they don't fucking work, and they're not really in the mod. Boom. Still, future-proofed. Okay. Same as before, I just have to rebuild this. Test it out in-game to make sure it works. Probably do a bit of NP test on it. And then... yeah! That's a task complete! Good job me. Maybe I can squeeze another task in before I end the dev stream. Would be nice. Ready for some lunch and shit. Ready for some food. Didn't eat no... I didn't even eat breakfast, to be honest. I was a bad boy. Gotta eat some breakfast. Yeah. Oh, someone ping me on Discord. What's that? What is this? My favorite map. Swift is like map editing? What is Swift doing? Is it like XCOM map editing or something? I'm gonna ask him what the fuck he's doing. Okay, we should be ready to test now, though. Let's test. Wow. Nah. And again, let's just see if we can get those new VHFs to spawn. Now the orcas actually have IDs, which is nice. I have to do that for all of them, really. That's the normal, like, pilot build. Got a shredder, but with no ammo, right? Yep. That's about what you want to be seeing there. I gotta make sure their loadouts more, so they have Cobras and Vipers, not just one. I'm a bit lazy there. I'll fix that later. Okay, show me an elite orca. That'd be nice. We should... yeah, perfect. What do you got? You've got the L laser, 2 shredder ACs with ammo, and the Cobras. Okay, so if I fly at you, what happens? Hello. Oh god. Ah! I think like most VHFs, you're still a sitting duck because you don't know how to fly VHFs yet. Oh, shit, I exploded. Meow. Seems to be working. I'll go test it in the fields as well. I want to go find a rookie one. Ah!
Sensor efficiency reduced.
Orca. Seems to be working. It looks so cool. What a fat pig. Okay, hang on. Let me go find another field.
Warning. Sensor efficiency reduced.
I don't know if they can spawn eagles here. Let's see. I
Objective.
was gonna finally fix this damn loadout. It's annoying. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. What? Why the fuck do I have a machine gun? Oh, because I was testing selling shit. That's right. I have the wackest shit in this build. That's what I have. I have the wackest shit. What was he thinking? Because this is when I was testing out the sell price of the shit. I don't know why I'm trying to fight shit. I shouldn't be. Whatever. Whatever. Let's see if I can get an eagle. I mean an orca, you know what I mean. I don't know if I spawn them here. I might have to go to Silverton.
I'm engaging. I'm taking on. I'm engaging.
I think I might have added them, but like rarely. Let's just see.
I'm taking on. I'm reading it.
Yeah, because I think I added random fighters, which can be any weight class. I'm not getting one though.
I'm engaging.
I'm taking on.
I'm taking on.
I'm taking on. I'm taking on.
I'm showing a
I'm not seeing any eagles here, so either starkly unlucky or no. Weird though, because I do think I added eagles here. There's one. Okay, I'm just getting starkly unlucky. That's all.
I see him.
Let's keep going then. I want to get a rookie orca and just test this loadout. And I'll be done with the testing.
I'm taking on.
Taking on. Taking on.
I'm showing a hostile.
Yeah, they're just rare, I think. Very rare. Give me orca!
I am engaging.
The no IDs thing is annoying me. I'm gonna add that. There we go. Rookie orca. Shitty cobras. Shredder with no ammo. SRM with ammo. Looks good!